Hello everybody, this is Angelo for a new video. Very happy to be back. I'm sorry if I haven't been consistent with this channel. A lot of prayers, a lot of consultations, and my French YouTube channel, which takes me a lot of time, plus of course personal things. So I really do apologize. I will do my best, especially when I am back in the US in September, to be more consistent with the channel. Okay, so this video is a bit special. I'm very happy to share with you my two latest creations. I posted on Facebook, so some of you might already know. I love to design decks. I have found a new passion of mine, and I started before a few years ago with playing cards, and now I'm developing even more tools to be able to create decks. So I'm going to share with you I created a Sibylla Oracle that I shared a little while ago on this channel, and today is going to be two Lenormand decks. I am not a Lenormand user by any means, but I have received some requests from some of my clients in Europe telling me, Angelo, we love the Lenormand, why wouldn't you do some decks? And I was like, all right, why not? If my community asks me something, why not when I have time? And so this is how I ended up creating two decks, two Lenormand decks. One is what I call a manga edition, and the second one is the one called the deluxe edition. So I'm just gonna stay quiet and share with you the pictures. They all come with a gloss finish. And for each of those decks, I have added two bonus cards, one bonus male and female, which can be very convenient for love readings to identify lovers and mistresses, or even in any other kind of situations where you can pinpoint people other than you. So very convenient to have one extra male, one extra female. So I have done that for both decks. So 38 cards, gloss finish. They come in a plastic box to be really well protected. I'm going to share with you both those decks, and I will come back to you right after. So stay tuned. Alright, so you saw now both decks. For the people who might be interested in those, in one of them, or why not in both, I will post a pinned comment right underneath this video, which means that it will be the very first comment that will pop up, regardless of the amount of comments. The pinned comment will always be on top, and I will put the link of the page where you can have all my decks. You can see all my decks, including those two Lenormand decks. So I will come back to you with more spiritual videos, more cartomancy videos as well. I know many people want that. So in the meantime, thank you for watching. Hopefully you found those decks interesting, and take care of you, take care of your family, of everyone you love and everyone who loves you. Have a great week, and God bless you.